Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here, and today I have an awesome armpit fat workout. All right, spring is here and summer is coming up, so this is the best workout to help you feel confident in those dresses and tank tops. So let's get into it. So we will be doing 3 sets. The first one where I talk you through what we're doing as I do it with you, proper form, all that good stuff. And then set number 2 and 3, less talking, more doing. We just go straight through the routine. Starting with our first exercise, we have an arm crossover. So standing in a nice strong stance, all right? Bent knees, feet are hip width apart, arms come out to the side and then they cross over. So right over left, open, and then left over right. And we do that alternating. It's as simple as that, all right? 30 seconds on the clock. And begin. So opening wide, 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 but never opening your rib cage, all right? So there's a difference between this and this, all right? So locking it in, all right? Zipping up your rib cage, tucking in your tummy, tucking in your butt, all right? And here we like control, so it never goes past your shoulders, all right? So control right here, nice straight line, and then squeezing as you come in. So squeeze, open, control, squeeze, open, control. All right, very, very good. And remember to breathe in your nose, out your mouth. Very good. And 3, 2, 1. Go ahead, shake it out, let it down. Awesome. Next we have butterfly wings. I love this one. Go ahead, put your hands behind your head. All right, elbows out to the side, and then elbows come in towards each other, and then open up again like cute little butterfly wings, all right? And remember that control again here. We're not opening up our rib cage, boom, lock it in. Just move your elbows and then come in, squeeze, 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 and open. All right, very, very good. If you don't know how to zip up your rib cage, Mare does have a video on her channel that explains it perfectly, all right? 30 seconds on the clock, big breath. And begin, hands behind your head. Butterfly wings, very good. Go ahead, open, close, keeping a nice straight spine, closing that rib cage, squeezing your shoulder blades, squeezing your back as they open, and then squeezing your chest and your arms, your biceps as they come in. Very good. Woo, feel the burn on this one, yes. Breathe in your nose, out your mouth, very good. And 3, 2, 1, release, very good. Next, we have a W rotation, all right? So our hands are in a W position, like so, elbows to the ground, fingers up to the sky, and then we're gonna rotate them, all right? Fingers go down to the ground and elbows come up to the sky, all right? And we're gonna do that repetitively, continuously for those 30 seconds. All right, 30 seconds on the clock. Big breath and begin. Now here, I want you to remember not to come forward with your arms, all right? We're not going like this, trying to help them. So keeping a straight spine and just letting your arms, especially that armpit area, do the work for you, all right? Control, allow your shoulders to rotate, and keep that chest up, very good. Breathing, chin up, all right, nice long elegant neck. That's gonna help you. Kind of found myself slouching even though I was looking down at the camera, but that's okay. I can keep my chin up and look down at the camera at you guys with my eyes, all right? So go ahead, keep a good posture and just move your eyes where you need to be. And 3, 2, 1, and release. Very, very good. Last but certainly not least, we have monkey pumps, a Mare favorite. She named them. It's awesome. All right, so hands out to the side, 90-degree angle. All right, this is parallel right here to the floor. We're gonna squeeze in, come in towards each other, palms facing each other, open, and then up. I'm so sorry. Closing and palms face your face, all right? So they turn, they rotate here, and then open and up, and then rotate towards your face, and then up. There we go. All right, squeezing your chest as they come in. All right, squeezing those shoulders as they come up. All righty, 30 seconds on the clock. You got this. Remember that strong stance, bend in the knees, and let's go, all right? Even though we are just working our arms, like I said, we're thinking about our stance, our posture, all right? Everything is connected, so it's super, super important to be grounded, all right? Push through your heels, all right? Push through your heels. You should be able to lift up your toes like that, no problem, all right? Very good. Straight spine, zip up that rib cage. Breathing, very good. Almost there, woo, feeling the burn, and 3, 2, 1. Celebrate, awesome job. There we have it, set 1 of your amazing armpit fat workout. We're gonna take a second, grab some water, and then we're gonna crush set number 2 together. Alrighty, my beautiful people, set number 2, you know what to do, so I zip it. We're just gonna go straight through the routine. All right, we have our arm crossovers, all right, then we have our butterfly wings, our W rotation, and then our monkey pumps to finish it off, all right? Keep up the energy, remember breathing, proper posture, you got this. Starting with our arm cross, 30 seconds, and let's go. Three, 2, 1, very good, shake it out. Hands behind your head for butterfly wings. Big breath and begin. And 3, 2, 1, very good. Shake it out, shake it out. W rotation, elbows towards your hips, 30 seconds, and let's go, rotate. Three, 2, 1, and shake it out. Very, very good. Big breath. Monkey pumps, 30 seconds, and begin. And 3, 2, woo, 1 more, and shake it out. Very, very good. 2 sets done and dusted. Go ahead, grab that water, take a second, and we're going to set number 3. Alrighty, my beautiful people, set number 3, you got this. Keep up the energy. Remember, breathe, all right? Take your time, quality over quantity. Starting with your arm crossovers, 30 seconds, and let's go. Three, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out. Hands behind your head for butterfly wings. Big breath and begin. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out. Shake it out. W rotation. Elbows towards your hips. 30 seconds. And let's go. Rotate. Three, 2, 1, and shake it out. Very, very good. Big breath. Monkey pumps, 30 seconds, and begin. And 3, 2, 1 more, and shake it out. Alrighty, and that was it. 3 sets of your armpit fat workout. You did amazing. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of the workout, what you'd like to see more of, and then don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, go check out our channel, and I hope to see you on the next one.